Hey guys, this is Josh the Goosebumps Fanatic 2018 here, and welcome back to another video. Today this is going to be a DVD update for May 3rd, 2018. So, got a couple DVDs at Walmart today. So I got this Pink Panther 6 film collection. Has this really nice package overall. 6 films. I actually never knew these films existed. And so yeah, this is back when Peter Sellers starred in Pink Panther, not the newer ones with Steve Martin. I already knew the ones with Steve Martin, and I actually didn't know the ones with Peter Sellers. So yeah, so I do like the front cover. So yep, very nice. So here's the spine. Has this very nice clear case overall. Then here's the back. So, has some brief descriptions. First one was released in 1964. So was the second one. So they're pretty old films now. Third one was released. Sorry, the thing can't focus. Was released in 1975, and fourth one was released in 1976. I'm sorry, my camera can't focus, but that is what it is. And fifth one came out in 1978, and the sixth one came in 1982. So I would normally complain about artwork. So there's like a couple of cracks here. So sorry if I am not, the camera's not focusing too much. There's like some cracks here, like on this. That's not what's gonna make me take it back to the store for, but it is what it is. Anyways, here's the look inside. Very nice clear background. Eco box, even though the stuff is not cut out. So yeah, the disc. Here's the disc 1, disc 2, disc 3. Very nice. Shows the rest of information. So, yep. Can't wait to watch these. My dad paid for this for $17 and paid this for $20. So, I don't even know if it's worth $17 to be honest with you, because I haven't even seen these 6 movies, the first through the 6th movie. Even though I own these now, I just didn't. So yeah, I might have time to watch them sometime. So yeah, I did hear pretty positive things about the first one. So yeah, I'm gonna give them a watch and we'll see. So yep, put that right there. So for this one, I'll unbox in the next video. So you can see. Let me just pause this for a second. So I already have the first one, and you can see they both have the same style of covers, even on the second one now. So it shows the main character like with the same face and sandwich in the hands. They're both the same. So yeah, I bought this years ago, and yeah, just got this one. So I guess that's what's just gonna get people. So, like, pick these up, So, yeah, anyways, it does look nice overall. I remember seeing this in theaters back in January. It was really good. 100% on Rotten Tomatoes. So, here's the spine, released by Warner Brothers. So, let me just pause it. That's weird because the first one was released by Entertainment One and the second one is released by Warner Brothers. That's pretty weird, isn't it? So even though it connects with the first one, it just doesn't. So I guess this company just gave Paddington to Warner Brothers. I guess that's what they're trying to get to exclusives. So yeah. Then here's the back. So not a whole lot to say about it. At least it's made by Studio Canal, just like the first one. we got some special features, Paddington the Bear Truth, and so yeah, that's the only special feature. So yeah, so see you in my unboxing of this in the next video. So yep, that's all for this DVD update for May 3rd, 2018. See the unboxing of this in the next video.